Because I have come to the firm conclusion that I am not a white boy trying to be Jamaican. I'm a Jamaican boy trying to be white. I get hell every rascal day. It gets to the point where I have to tell people that I'm Scottish. For real. Because the minute I tell somebody I'm Jamaican, they say, but you're white. Where's your dreadlocks? You know what I mean? Does anybody in Jamaica smoke weed? No. My mother don't smoke. What is it? Could I one of them? Could I two of them? Could I three of them? I don't like them. Could I four of them? I'm against Batman. That's the last thing I want, right? It's just a boy, John, I should go to the gay community. No, I'm not. Dirty wine is made for a woman. You know, it's like, let's say I make a dress for my girlfriend. A beautiful dress, a wicked dress, baby, put this on. And our Batman boyfriend take it and try it on. Right, how you think I go and feel? The dress that this lovely creation I made for this beautiful girl. This is funny. Said you one of them. Where's thinking you doing better than some girl? That's funny. Where was I? Oh, cheesecake. Oh my god. Puff Daddy. Here's my phone. You leave me a comment. I will send you my rascal number. Right? You call me. Right? You call me up. Oh, you want cheesecake? Where is it? Miami? Yes, I will go to Miami and get it. No problem. Where are you? In Cuba? I will swim across back to Cuba. Pick up some raft on the way. Baby, I'm crazy. Mad. But you know what? How many white man you know can do this? I'll continue acting like this. I ain't got no problem. I feel comfortable doing it like this. This coming like nothing to me. Man, do this for my little boy. Used to cut and paste. No problem for Mr. Bush. No problem for Mr. Blair. As you can see, I was rolling my joint. Yes. But you know what Bob said? Excuse me while I light my split. And I don't know if you know this, but ganja is actually illegal. Ganja is actually illegal. Oh, fuck. No about Bobby, big Jew, box drink, and all them foolishness right there, so. What more? Stop sending me email asking if I'm really Jamaican. Send me an email asking if I'm really crazy. You want flag my blood clot video tell them say I smoke ganja? Go to that push soul. And nobody can come on my site and give me no bad name because the whole of Jamaica stand next to me, behind me, and with me. Ra! Stand up. Yo, Rasta man them big up. All yard man them big up. You understand? And if that buck-tooth Ben Laden looking batty boy ever try come on the internet and fly far from the block and Kappa don't fly far from the block and worse than Saddam in Iraq. I still don't look for my light, you know. I still not look for my light. Sheriff, can you hear me? We'll be back online with more of this breaking story. Bitches. Let's check in with Mr. Cleo with the weather. Mr. Cleo, what do you have for the weather? I'm looking at a crystal ball. It's a go blood clot rain. John, boy, your anchor. You're the anchor. Your anchor. You live in Sri Lanka. Whoa. Rain. I see rain. I don't like how the equal employment thing work out, you know. You know, see what them give me the crystal ball job, I must do the weather and thing. This is a Batman who have like an uptight voice. It's gonna rain on my crystal ball, raining on my crystal. Shake it, shake it, crystal, shake it, crystal. Dirty wine. You know, I like watching comedians. I like watching Eddie Murphy and all this stuff and all of them because they keep it real. Men cheat because they made you go, ooh. Did you say Eddie Murphy when he's like, ooh? Why am I saying all this stuff? I tell you why. Because I'm the nice guy that gets passed up. Right. I'm the nice guy that you get to know and all of a sudden you're like, you know, John, you're better off as a friend. You know how many times I've gotten that really sank into my head. I've been given the ability to entertain and I've been given a medium to do it. Okay? Now, I'm not saying that I'm not coming back on camera and acting like a fool. That's what I do best. apart from DJing, but nobody not looking at none of my dancehall song them. Right? And if you think I'm joking, check out the skit called Dancehall Artist. What hurts me is I go online and I see people DJing, doing dancehall music. And they can't even get so much as 10 views. 10 views. I come on the internet with a little foolishness. Forgive me, I tend to get tension, don't ease the tension, girl. Run the program, just walk with it. Yo, have a good time, girl. Free up on the mic, and nobody can this and just roll with it. Mama, I'm feel so good at that still now. Everything come natural to me. Yes. Give them a front. Give them a heel. And so are big titty them, right? But really, you know, go so you Margo act like she's sexy. How every man out there can look at her and want a girlfriend with a big gazumbas. Yeah man, Margo show her to you. Yeah man, you want my girlfriend? Back your fist to me. No, back your fist to me. No. I'm not going to talk your head off anymore. I think I've stated my point. What? Yes, I'm mad. You think I care?